Santosham. Today, we're going to see how to do rhythmic breathing. This is the first stage of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and in the next video, I will teach you how to do that. Rhythmic breathing is a simple technique, easy to do and quick to learn. Practice this technique in the morning or evening on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning because you will feel energetic the whole day without any tiredness. Sit in a comfortable pranayama posture with your spine straight. Those who cannot sit in this posture may sit against a wall or in a chair. Keep the head and spine upright. First, relax the whole body and close your eyes. Do normal breathing through both nostrils for a few rounds. Adopt Vishnu Mudra with the right hand. Place the left hand on the knee in Chin Mudra. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale and exhale through the left nostril for 24 counts. The rate of inhalation and exhalation should be normal. Be aware of each breath. Lower the hand and breathe normally 3 times through both nostrils together. Now, press the left nostril with the ring finger, blocking the flow of air. Inhale and exhale through the right nostril for 24 counts. Keep the respiration rate normal. Lower the hand and breathe 3 times through both nostrils together. This is 1 round. Let us practice 1 round now in each nostril. Practice it with me so you'll know exactly how you have to practice. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 8, inhale 9, exhale 10, inhale 11, exhale 12, inhale 13, exhale 14, inhale 15, exhale 16, inhale 17, exhale 18, inhale 19, exhale 20, inhale 21, exhale 22, inhale 23, exhale 24. Lower the hand and breathe 3 times through both nostrils together. Now close the left nostril with the ring and little finger. Inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 8, inhale 9, exhale 10, inhale 11, exhale 12, inhale 13, exhale 14, inhale 15, exhale 16, inhale 17, exhale 18, inhale 19, exhale 20, inhale 21, exhale 22, inhale 23, exhale 24. Lower the hand and breathe 3 times through both nostrils together. Feel the calm and relaxation. I hope you learned this technique. Each round will take 2 to 3 minutes. This is a simple technique. Practice it and enjoy the benefits. Thank you for watching. Santosham.